Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Monday, February 9th, 2026. Hope you're all doing well. All right, folks. So just want to give you an update. So if you look at the NASDAQ on the 1 hour, you can see here we were in an uptrend on the 1 hour, right? We had the retracement, maintained structure here, and then the channel, the champion cross started widening again. And then when I mentioned this morning, the WealthCharts live trading room on the hourly, we had a flat bottom widening, that my overall bias was to the upside today, on that NASDAQ 1 hour chart there. Then we looked at the volume profile here this morning. This side right here is the NASDAQ. What I mentioned, when we get through the point of control back here, we're probably going to go higher, fairly quickly at that point, getting through that congestion. So when that happened, then going to that smaller time frame on the 1 minute chart here on the NASDAQ, you can see here, this is the 10-15 time frame. Okay. And so we had the consolidation move and then the retracement, yellow back to green. That was the entry. That was a trade we took together in the WealthCharts live trading room. Nice solid trade there on the NASDAQ. And then after the move back down again, I was done for the day. Others, took the retracement right here as well. So I took this trade. Others in the room also took this trade. But again, what we're looking for is, in this case, the 1 hour bias to the upside with the flat bottom Heikinashi. Again, let me just go back there real quick here. Okay. And, again, the resumption, we had a TRP cross as well here, just saying, okay, more than likely we're going to be bullish today. Then I went back into the volume profile. So if we bust out of that point of control area, it'll probably accelerate to the upside. And then from there, we then waited for the execution. Okay, so if you want to learn more on how I'm doing that, folks, again, come join me in the WealthCharts live training room. Again, if you go in here, you just click on the main menu, and within WealthCharts, you go to WealthCharts events, put it on your screen. Okay, and then so tomorrow, which is the 10th, Tuesday the 10th, you can see I'll be starting early at 8 a.m. Eastern, Okay, there also, when you're within WealthCharts, it'll pop up when I'm live as well, so you'll know that from the pop-up at the bottom left. But hope to see you all there, folks. Have a great day. Take care.